Over millennia, life on Earth has evolved into a breathtaking tapestry. But today that tapestry is fraying, with extraordinary creatures on the verge of vanishing. Join me as we explore 10 remarkable species clinging to survival and discover what we can do to help secure their future. Their stories remind us of the interconnectedness of life on Earth and the urgent need to protect it. In the Gulf of California lives the Vaquita, a small, elusive porpoise that few have ever seen in the wild. It is the world's smallest and most endangered marine mammal, with a face that seems to wear a perpetual smile. Their numbers have dwindled to a precious few, with estimates suggesting fewer than 10 individuals remain. These gentle creatures have become victims of gillnets set to catch the totoaba fish, whose swim bladders are highly prized in traditional Chinese medicine. Efforts are underway to eliminate these deadly nets, with conservationists working tirelessly to remove them from the vaquita's habitat. Additionally, initiatives are in place to provide alternative livelihoods for local fishers, encouraging sustainable fishing practices that do not endanger the vaquita. The vaquita's plight is a stark reminder of the unintended consequences of human actions, highlighting the delicate balance of marine ecosystems. Imagine a creature perfectly adapted to its underwater world, navigating the murky waters with ease and grace, only to be ensnared by tools meant for our sustenance, a tragic bycatch in the pursuit of economic gain. The urgency of the situation cannot be overstated. Conservationists are racing against time to save this species from the brink of extinction. The fate of this tiny porpoise hangs in the balance, a poignant symbol of the broader struggle to protect our planet's biodiversity. The Vaquita story is a powerful reminder of our responsibility to protect ocean inhabitants, urging us to take action before it's too late. In the dense rainforests of Java, Indonesia, lives the critically endangered Javan rhinoceros. Once widespread, this solitary creature now teeters on the brink due to habitat loss. As forests are cleared, the Javan rhino is pushed further towards extinction. The Indonesian government and conservationists are working tirelessly to protect their habitat. Anti-poaching patrols and habitat restoration efforts are in place. The Javan rhino's story highlights the delicate balance between human needs and preserving biodiversity. High in Sumatra's rainforests, the Sumatran orangutan swings through the canopy. These majestic creatures with their long arms and reddish-brown fur are perfectly adapted to life in the trees. They move with grace and agility, a testament to their evolutionary prowess. Known for its intelligence and tool use, this great ape faces an uncertain future. Orangutans have been observed using sticks to extract insects from tree bark and leaves to create makeshift umbrellas. Their cognitive abilities are remarkable, yet they are under threat. Deforestation for palm oil and timber is decimating their habitat. Vast swathes of rainforest are being cleared, leaving the orangutans with fewer places to live and find food. The relentless expansion of palm oil plantations is particularly devastating. The loss of their rainforest home fragments populations, making them more vulnerable. Isolated groups of orangutans struggle to find mates, leading to inbreeding and a decrease in genetic diversity. This fragmentation also makes it harder for them to evade predators and find sufficient food. Organizations like the Orangutan Conservation Program are working to protect these apes and their habitat. They are on the front lines, fighting to preserve the remaining rainforest and create safe havens for the orangutans. They create protected areas, rescue orphaned orangutans, and educate communities. By raising awareness and involving local people in conservation efforts, they hope to foster a sense of stewardship and responsibility towards these incredible animals. The Sumatran orangutan's plight reminds us of our interconnectedness with nature. Every action we take has a ripple effect on the environment and the creatures that inhabit it. Protecting the orangutans means protecting the entire ecosystem they are a part of. Our choices as consumers and citizens directly impact their survival. By choosing sustainable products and supporting conservation initiatives, we can help ensure a future for the Sumatran orangutan. Every small action counts in the fight to save these magnificent creatures. In the Russian Far East, the Amur leopard, one of the rarest big cats, roams. Their numbers have dwindled due to habitat loss, poaching and human-wildlife conflict. Logging and agriculture fragment their habitat, isolating populations. Organizations like the WWF are working to protect the Amur leopard. Anti-poaching patrols, habitat restoration and community engagement give them a fighting chance. The Amur leopard's survival is a testament to collaboration and dedication. This magnificent creature's story underscores the need to protect our planet's biodiversity. In the warm tropical waters, the Hawksbill turtle navigates the seas. This ancient mariner faces a perilous future due to poaching for their shells. Despite trade bans, illegal poaching continues to threaten their survival. They also face habitat destruction, climate change and entanglement in fishing gear. Rising sea levels and ocean acidification further imperil their nesting sites. Organizations like the Sea Turtle Conservancy work to protect hawksbill turtles. Their efforts include research, conservation and education to ensure these ancient mariners' survival. In the Annamite Mountains, the elusive Saola, or Asian unicorn, roams. Discovered in 1992, their rarity and restricted habitat make them difficult to study and protect. Habitat loss and fragmentation, driven by illegal logging and agriculture, threaten their survival. Poaching for traditional medicine and the pet trade poses significant risks. Conservation efforts are ongoing, but the Saola's rarity makes it a daunting challenge. The Saola symbolizes the mysteries within our planet's wild places. Protecting these last bastions of biodiversity is crucial. In the Yangtze River, the Yangtze giant soft-shell turtle, a living fossil, resides. Once common, this gentle giant is now critically endangered. Habitat degradation and pollution have taken a heavy toll. Conservationists in China are breeding these turtles in captivity. The goal is to reintroduce them into protected areas of the Yangtze River. The Yangtze giant soft-shell turtle's fate hangs in the balance. Their story highlights the need to protect freshwater ecosystems. In North Africa, the northern bald ibis soars gracefully through the skies, a true symbol of hope and resilience in the face of adversity. Once a common sight, their numbers have been tragically decimated by extensive habitat loss, relentless hunting, and the widespread use of harmful pesticides. The intensification of modern agriculture and the pervasive use of pesticides have pushed these majestic birds to the very brink of extinction. However, dedicated conservationists are tirelessly working to protect the remaining wild populations and reintroduce captive bred birds into their natural habitats. The story of the northern bald ibis is a powerful testament to the importance of collaboration and unwavering commitment in conservation efforts. Their survival serves as a poignant reminder of the intricate interconnectedness of ecosystems and the delicate balance that sustains life on our planet. Even in the face of great adversity, the enduring spirit of hope and resilience can prevail, inspiring us all. Protecting this magnificent bird is not just about saving a species, it is crucial for maintaining our planet's rich biodiversity and ensuring a healthy, balanced ecosystem for future generations. In New Zealand, the flightless kakapo, a peculiar parrot, resides. This moss-green, owl-faced bird roams the forest floor, a marvel of natural selection. Introduced predators decimated their populations, driving them to the brink. Their ground-dwelling habits and slow reproductive rates made them vulnerable. Conservation efforts have brought the kakapo back from the precipice. Predator control and a groundbreaking breeding program give them a fighting chance. The kakapo's story highlights the importance of conservation efforts. Preserving this unique species is a testament to human intervention's power. The northern white rhinoceros faces functional extinction in the wild. Poaching for their horns drove this magnificent creature to the brink. Only 2 females remain, unable to reproduce naturally. Scientists are using reproductive technologies to bring them back from the brink. In vitro fertilization and surrogate mothers offer hope. The northern white rhino's story is a stark reminder of human action's consequences. Collective action is needed to protect our planet's biodiversity. Their plight underscores the urgency of conservation efforts. The creatures on our planet face unprecedented challenges. The 10 species we've explored represent just a fraction of those teetering on the brink of extinction. Their plight reminds us of our interconnectedness with the natural world. By supporting conservation organizations and making conscious choices, we can make a difference. Let their stories inspire us to protect biodiversity and ensure future generations inherit a thriving world. Footage and information for this video was sourced from the IUCN Red List, WWF and National Geographic.